Hello everyone, this is Rebecca and I'm here to show you a couple variations of a cool halftone effect for your punk album covers in Photoshop. So you notice in your punk album covers that they have a lot of printing halftones, and so we're going to try to simulate that today. I have this image, it's just on a black background, and there's a few different ways to do this. So first we're going to go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. And then I'll just leave the defaults there and hit OK. And as you can see, this is a pretty high resolution image, so I have lots of little dots there, and if you zoom in, you can see that great halftone effect. And you can change the amount of halftone, the amount of the size of the dots and everything in that window that popped up that I just stuck with the defaults on. And as you can see, when you use a filter, it acts as a smart filter down here, so it's non-destructive. So if you want a color halftone effect, you can, and that's how you get it. Very easy. I'm going to hit Control Z and show you a different way. So let's go up to our filter gallery this time. And my default settings right now are at black and white. And so what that means is in these drop down panels here, anything that's in color, if you click on it, it's going to copy the color, the actual color that's in the real image. Any of these that are in black and white, it's going to apply whatever colors you have set in your color palette. So my color palette is black and white right now, so I'm going to hit this halftone pattern. Same halftone pattern as the one we used before, but this time it just chooses two colors. And you can change the size of the dots as well as the contrast. I have mine cranked up pretty high. I'll bring it back so you can see it's a little more grayed out. But I think that the higher contrast works better for what we're doing. I mean, you can crank it way up. It's such a fun thing. I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see that this looks a little punkier. I'm going to undo it to show you one more thing. If I change the foreground color, or the two colors in my color palette, I'm just going to use my color picker here and pick pink. I'm going to go back up into the filter gallery. And now it's going to apply pink and white to it. Let me bump the contrast up a little bit higher. A little higher, and hit OK. And now I have this really great punky effect with these poppy colors, and it's really effective. Now, you don't have to use this effect for your punk covers. It's just something I'd like to show you because it's pretty fun and I like it. All right, have a good one.